Today, we are talking about a tool many advertisers, marketers, and business owners are curious about. If you ever feel stuck when creating ads, or if you want to see what kind of ads are working best for other people, then an ad library tool can help you to get inspiration and ideas. One such tool that many people talk about is Creatify AI, an AI powered ad library that claims to help you discover top performing ads quickly and easily. In this video, we will talk about what Creatify AI really is, how it works, and what feature it has, and whether it helps you to spy on winning ads for your business growth. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online success. Today we are reviewing Creatify AI and showing how you can use it to find ad ideas that convert. I also placed a special offer link in the description that helps you to get a better deal or bonus when you sign up. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description. By using that link, any special offer that will be applied automatically when you join. So you get your benefits without any extra step. Now let's go to the main part of the video and talk about the Creatify AI in simple terms. First, Creatify AI is a tool that lets you explore a large collection of ads from different brands and marketers. The idea is that you can search for the ads that are performing well. You can get ideas for your next ads and learn from what is already working. Since advertising can be confusing, having example from successful campaigns help you to save time and avoid guesswork. When you open the Creatify AI, you see a search bar where you can type the keywords related to your niche, product, or marketing ideas. For example, if you are selling beauty products, you just type something that like related to beauty or skincare, and the tool shows you a list of ads that match the topic. Each ad comes with the information such as the platform it was seen on, the ad format like video or image, the engagement data if available, and sometimes even the text used in the ad. This helps you to study the ad from different angles before you create your own. One of the things people like about Creatify AI is that it uses a smart filter. You narrow your search by country, ad type, and length. So you find the ads that are most relevant to your business audience. This makes it easier than scrolling social media feeds to find good ads. Instead, you have a focused library that shows what other businesses are actually running in real time. Another useful part is the AI suggestion. When you search for the ads or enter keywords, the tool can suggest related keywords or popular categories that you might not have thought of. This helps spark ideas and expand your creativity. Some users find this helpful when they feel stuck and don't know what angle to try in their next campaign. Inside the platform, you can click on each ad to see a larger view and details about how it was used. You can study the headline, the visuals, and the CTA. For video ads, you can even watch the full video preview to see how the message flows. This gives you insights into not only what ad is running, but how the content feels and engages with viewers. From this, you can take inspiration and you can adapt the ideas to fit your own brand and your voice or your audience. Now, people ask, can Creatify AI really help to create better ads? The answer is that it depends on how you can use it. Now, the tool itself shows you what others are doing, but it does not automatically create perfect ads for you. What it does, it gives you a library of inspiration so you can study trends, angles, and style that perform well. When you combine this insight with your own creativity and understanding of your audience, you can make more informed ad campaigns. Creatify AI also help you to save time. Instead of spending hours testing ads blindly, you can start with proven structures and messaging ideas. This reduces the guesswork and helps you to avoid common mistakes in ad creation. If you are new to paid advertising, seeing examples that actually run in the market builds your confidence and help you to learn fast. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some users may find that certain filter or data are limited depending on the niche they search for. And some trends change quickly. So what worked yesterday might not always work tomorrow. But having a resource that collects ads in one place is still better than starting from zero idea every time. So overall, Creatify AI is helpful for market research, inspiration, and understanding how ads perform in real scenarios. It makes it easier to discover ideas that you might not find on your own. And it helps you to think smarter when planning your ad campaigns. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more honest reviews like this. And don't forget to use the special offer link from description to get your benefits automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.